The Princess, the Magical Ring and the Witch. Long ago, there was a beautiful princess who lived in a magical kingdom. The princess loved walking around her garden each morning as she loved to see how the crops grew and blossomed into fruition. On her 13th birthday, while doing her normal routine, walking in her garden, she saw a ring.
Hello everyone, well, welcome back to another tech tutorials with Risa. Now in this video I'm going to be showing you how I created that story that you just watched using artificial intelligence. Yes, you just heard it right. I use artificial intelligence to write the story, to create the image, and then to make the video narration. And I did all this for free. Yes, without spending a dime. Guys, artificial intelligence is taking the digital world by storm. Nowadays, you don't need to know how to write. You don't even need to know how to draw an image. You do not even need to know how to create a video, because there is basically an AI tool for almost everything out there. And that is why in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a video using AI. Now, this is a website we're going to be using. It's called d_id. Now, you can go to the website called did.com, or you can just click the link in the description box. So I'm going to leave the link in the description box where you can just click and you go directly to where you can start creating your own video using this tool. Now, remember I said we're not going to be spending a dime. Now, this tool offers a free plan. This is it right here. So you can go to their pricing section and then go to the trial section and click select plan, and you'll be able to start using this tool for free. So they give you the option to be able to create 5-minute video. That is, they give you some free credits that you can use to create your video. But to get this tool, you need to register with your email address, which is very normal. So you need to create an account with your email address, and once you register, you'll be able to go to the video library. So this is it right here. You can just click and it will take you directly to their video library, and this is where we're going to start creating our video. Now, the first thing is to click the plus sign, and you're going to see this mobile experience is not available right now. So go to your top, at the top right corner, click on the 3 dots, and you'll be able to see desktop view. Click on desktop view so that it will take you directly to the desktop view, so that you can see everything that you're going to be seeing on a desktop with your mobile phone. So as you can see right now, we are using the desktop view. So you can just open up your phone, and next we're going to create our video. On your left side of your screen, click the create video, and it's going to open up like this. So you're going to see the image of a white male right here. So the next thing we're going to do now is to just scroll. You're going to see at the top, you're going to be able to choose your video format. So just click on the video format right here. So this is the option where you can click, and then you can choose the video format. You can choose wide, square, vertical, so depending on which platform you're going to be using. So for TikTok, you can use a vertical. For things like Facebook, you can use the square. Okay, but we're going to be using this for YouTube. Now, as you can see, you have the options to select different avatars from the bottom, as you can see, and you also have the option to create or to add your own avatar. When you click on the add button, it's going to take you directly to your phone's gallery. So this is where you can choose an image from your phone. So I created this image using Midjourney. So I'm going to leave the link of the Midjourney tutorials in the description box. So tap on the image to select it, and it's going to insert right here. So this is it. So it's going to add to your avatars. So this is it. As you can see, it has added as an avatar. Okay, so you can use it anytime you want. Now, the next thing we're going to be doing now is to add our script. Now, this is where we're going to paste the script. Now, we want our avatar to say what we want them to say, so we need a script. Okay, so I use AI to create this story and I'm going to leave a link of the tutorials where I show you how I use AI to create a story. Now, this story is not purely from the intelligence of a computer, because I did a bit of editing, because I don't just like to leave everything for the AI. So I did a bit of editing and added my own words and my own creativity and imaginations. Anyway, so after I've written down the story, the next thing is to just copy the scripts. I'm going to copy everything and then go back our AI tool, the DID, and then paste it in there. So we're going to expand our screen and then come here. So this is where, okay, just adjust, and then this is where we're going to paste the script. Now just place your cursor there, or just tap there and then click paste. Okay, so that is our script. The next thing, we're going to scroll down and then choose the language. So you can use any language for your video. So you are going to select a language from here, but I like this one, American English, so I'm going to leave the American English accent. And then next is to choose the person that you want to narrate. Okay, so these are different voices, so you're going to see them right here. So once you click on the arrow, you're going to see different names right here. So I'm going to choose this one. So once you choose it, next is the style. So what style of narration do you want? Okay, so you can just newscast, there's cheerful, there's angry, there's sad, friendly, shouting, depending on how you want your script to be read. But for me, I'm going to choose narration. So click on narration. So now once that is done, next is to click on the microphone tool and then you play.
Long ago, there was a beautiful princess who lived in a magical kingdom. The princess loved walking.
Now, in case you don't like the voice, you can always change it, okay? So that is where you play to listen to the voice. Now, once that is done, next is to generate your video. And to do that, simply scroll up and you're going to see generate video. So you can click there, but first let's expand to see. Okay, so click on generate video at the top and you're going to see the video right here. Okay, so you just have to be patient, and then once it is done loading, you're going to see the generate button. Okay, so this is it. Now it is on. So next, click on the generate button. Now you just have to be a bit patient and wait until it's fully generated. Our video is ready and we can now play the video. So you can just tap on it and then the video is going to start playing.
The Princess, the Magical Ring, and the Witch. Long ago, there was a beautiful princess who lived in a magical kingdom. The princess loved walking around her garden each morning as
Now the next thing is to just click on the download button and you'll be able to save the video in your phone. So that is how you can use AI tools to make videos like this. This is a video created with just a text and an image. Okay guys, so I hope this video was interesting and it was helpful. So thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and also do not forget to tap on the little bell icon you see, because that is how YouTube will be able to notify you whenever I upload a video. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.